Welcome to UnoQByte Season 5 powered by Resonance Energy. With us, we have Mr. Kapil Jain, who is Executive Director, Marketing Retail LNG, GAIL India Limited. Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the question to you, it's a UnoQByte question, but it's a unique question. That is, what are the strategies GAIL per se is working on, innovative strategies related to marketing to promote natural gas business in India?
First of all, GAIL, you already know, is the market leader in the country, with almost 70% of the gas being handled in form of transmission or in sale also. Now we have almost 200 MMSCMD of gas which is being consumed in the country, out of which almost 51-52% is the import and balance is the domestic gas. But now, as the vision of the government is to go from 6% today to 15% by 2030. For that, you have to consume more than 500 MMSCMD of gas. That means it will be 2.5 to 3 times of what we are consuming today. So really, when we see the business, all the businesses are growing. So normally, if we see the business as usual, the way the plants are coming up, fertilizer is growing, or the steel sector, other things are growing, this may go up to 350 or something. But really, if you have to increase and really to achieve the target, you have to think innovatively what are the areas which are there. So first of all, I'll say that first, we are more dependent now on the import. So first is how to increase the production. So that is one is the biogas, which is being talk of the town. Means almost all the companies, the big companies, the private sector, the public sector, everyone is going.
Even government is giving a
so
good
GAIL is GAIL is also going for around 25 CBG plants, and there is a lot of incentives being given by the government. You know, the CBG synchronization schemes, Satat schemes that are there, and all apart from that, the DPI scheme, the pipeline connected. They're promoting that these plants are connected. So that could amount to 30 to 40 MMSCMD of gas if really the waste which we are generating, that will convert into the gas, or the agriculture products which are there, also the agriculture based only, rather, I'll say, or the husk or the sugarcane. This one is there. So mud press, you can say. So that's one of the area where every of the company is focusing now. Considering that there is a common trust and they see some value addition that yes, the gas can be produced, which will be helpful not only in producing the hair but also reducing the import. That's one thing. Second is that to increase this, there are 2-3 sectors which we can focus. One is the LNG. LNG as a transport fuel for the trucking, long haul truckings. You know, in India you have 70 lakh odd trucks and huge market. And if you see the worldwide, China is really working very well, progressing very well in terms of LNG transport fuel. Almost 7 to 8 lakh trucks converted into LNG and consuming almost 15 MTPA. You can say 50 MMSCMD of gas. That means almost 25% of what we are consuming in India, they are consuming just in the transport sector. And today we are at very nascent stages where we have hardly 1,000 trucks with only a small quantity of gas. So that's a huge potential where now a lot of companies are focusing, especially the oil companies. GAIL is also focusing in terms of 29 stations in the first phase, and HPCL, IOCL, BPCL, and also some private players are coming, Ultra Gas and BLNG and other things. And our JV companies are also coming up. This we see a potential there. We will see that lot of consumption will be there in this. So over the government is still trying to bring out some kind of a policy or something, to which we are hoping with some kind of policy thrust, some incentives, PLI schemes. So that will help in converting next 4 to 5 years. We see that yes, it will take up the shape, and next 10 to 15 years, we will be able to grow in a much faster way, and this will be there. Another thing is SSLNG, where you can reduce the flaring of the gas, or the far off areas where you cannot send the gas. You can monetize, locally monetize that. And second is the pipeline is a huge investment. You can put a small plant there. And which now many of the CGD companies are doing. In fact, in bio LNG also. Bio LNG, yes, absolutely it is there. We have already, GAIL has now putting one plant at bio LNG at Sangrur. So that's a trial project, and maybe this could be a good project for the LNG as a transport. So that LNG can be in a transport or anywhere. So this way, at least there are things, and then other multiple areas, tri-generation, using the gas in the heating and other things. So these are the things where really we see that yes, this could really increase the gas consumption in India and make the gas economy perfect in India. That is that. So nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.